how to create an account in OneXBet app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to create a new account in this app, here in this home page, at the top right corner, you can see the registration option. Tap on it. Once you are in this page, it'll provide you different options. You can register a new account by your phone, by email, or your social medias. So you can select your preferred method. Let's say I'll choose to create a new account in one click. So I'll select this option. After that, you need to provide further informations. You need to select your country, your currency, and the category where you want to place the bet. If you have the promo code, you can enter it over here. After that, tap on this checkbox and click on register at the bottom. Complete the further process. And there you go. The registration of a new account is successful. It has provided you with your username and your password. You can copy it. Now tap on next. And there you go. You've successfully created your account in OneXBet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.